When you need to be proactive and start sourcing new hires today, iHire's resume search contains powerful tools and filters to accurately target the perfect candidates. With unlimited resume views, you can see a job seeker's entire resume and make an informed decision about their candidacy before unlocking their contact information. This video will focus on the most efficient ways to search the resume database, save a search, and unlock a candidate's contact information. iHire has 57 talent communities, each with a searchable resume database. We recommend that you search the combined database on iHire.com, then use our filters to widen or narrow your search. You'll see Boolean search terms used in this video. Boolean allows users to build a search by combining keywords and phrases like and, or, and not to limit or broaden the search. For more training on using Boolean search terms, check out the link in the description box below. Let's start with the job title, Construction Manager. The quotations will search for the exact phrase, Construction Manager. It's best to start with a broad search and narrow it with keywords and filters. Let's add bidding and estimating to the keywords because we're searching for someone with both of those skills. By leaving the location blank, the search will be nationwide, or search by state, or search by a specific location. This search number will increase or decrease based on the keywords and filters applied. Open the filters on the left to narrow the search even more. The gray box indicates the number of candidates in that filter. Click Show More to see more options. The Industry Sites filter shows the number of matching candidates within each of our 57 sites and allows you to narrow the search by site. Last activity indicates the last time the candidate was active on the iHire platform. You can even exclude resumes you've already viewed. The current filter set is found in the search box above, where you can easily remove or reset the filters if needed. Once the search delivers targeted results, click Save Search and name the search. Select Yes to receive new matching candidates by email as soon as they register. Saved searches can be found in the Saved Searches tab. Clicking the search name will run that search. Hovering over Quick View previews the highlighted keywords in the resume. Clicking the candidate's name will open their profile and full resume, so you can decide if you're interested in contacting the candidate. The contact information on each candidate's resume remains hidden until you unlock it. You may view unlimited resumes in this manner. You can save this candidate for later, or click Unlock Contact Info, and the full contact information will appear on the candidate's resume. Now you can rate, add the candidate to a talent pool, and send messages to the candidate using one of our templates or create your own message. Depending on the package purchased, the number of available unlocks can be viewed in the upper right corner of the screen. Unlocks reset every 30 days from the original purchase date and do not roll over month to month. If you have more questions or need further assistance with our tools, you can schedule a call or send an email to your client relationship manager from the homepage. Whether you're currently hiring or building a talent pipeline, resume search can be a great way to proactively source qualified candidates. Check out our Employer Resource Center for articles and webinars to help build your talent pipeline with iHire.